2.6 Reduce. What is the concept of consumer surplus? Surplus is the difference between the price buyers are willing to pay and the price sellers are willing to accept. For example, if a passenger is willing to pay $500 for a plane ticket, but they get it for $300, they got a consumer surplus of $200. Another example would be if an airline is willing to sell the ticket at $200, but they actually sell it for $250, they get a producer surplus of $50. Question 2. Where does the consumer surplus exit on the market graph? I labeled it here on the graph, but it's a consumer surplus is anything above the equilibrium, which is the dotted line. And where does the producer surplus exit on the market graph? I labeled it here on the graph as PS, which is producer surplus, and that's anything below the equilibrium. Question 3. Consumer surplus equals 1/2 times base times height. And I made a graph here showing that the max they'll spend is $10, and on average, they normally spend $6. So to find the height, I did 10 minus 6, which equals 4, and then I made the base 100. This means I did 1/2 times 4 times 100, which equals $200, and that's your consumer surplus. Question 4. If a popular phone gets good reviews, then more people want to buy it, resulting in demand increase. These also offer that the price increases and consumers pay more, resulting in the consumer surplus to drop. Producers gain surplus to do the high prices as well.